Humpty Dumpty up on top if I had a bunch of them here as a wall?
Yeah!
Okay, so what we're gonna do is you guys are gonna engineer a safe wall for Humpty Dumpty to sit on top of. So in the STEM lab, we focus especially on the engineering process. And so the kids are constantly asking a question. Is there a problem in the world? Is there a problem in a literature picture book that we've just read? What is a problem that we can solve? And then they work on imagining a solution to that. They work on brainstorming and planning and drawing out plans just like a real engineer would. And then they usually build whatever they think will help solve the problem. They test their build, and then just like real engineers, you know, they revamp their build and come up with a solution.
So we was thinking, over there, we ran out of wood, so now we're bending it out of Legos of the size of the wood, so we can put them together and then make it taller and taller.
I think we have seen tremendous growth in the words that they're using as far as the engineering process and as far as their learning goes, the whole metacognition, them thinking about their own thinking and developing those skills. STEM has really helped that. Put them up on top of your wall and see if you can stay. Oh, goodness. I think it's definitely teaching them that we learn through failure, and a lot of the students will tell you that a lot of times when something doesn't go right the very first time, they learn more because of the failure. And so they learn that growth mindset, that it's okay if I fail, I don't need to get upset about it, I just need to learn what went wrong and correct that the next time around. And that's where the whole engineering process comes in. Flow wind. Uh-oh, what do we need to do now?
Make it stronger!
And you see their face light up and have this like, I can do this. It's just a really powerful, moment. And so they're learning how to be teammates. And so that's very important as they grow up, being able to work with one another. Collaboration, perseverance is probably the biggest thing, because we don't stop with like, oh, you got it wrong. You're just gonna stop there and we're gonna move on. No, you're gonna solve it. Okay, what did you do? How can you do it differently to be successful?
Good job. We are constantly amazed at what students can do. If you give them the opportunity, if you give them the chance to do things that you just think are beyond their capabilities, they always rise to the occasion and often go beyond.
We're trying to program a robot to get it to go all the way around the cycle.
So go ahead and run. They come in here and we work on, you can see the boards that they have or the courses they have. We have various boards and courses that they use for different skills.
We learn teamwork, leadership, and we learn how to be an engineer better.
It's easy and hard and fun at the same time. You just get to have fun, but still be learning and still be getting an education.
Last year, I didn't know what to expect when I walked in. And when everything was set up, we're like, all right, this is gonna be great. And then everyone comes in, we're like, wow. Like, it's just, oh my gosh. And it's just this energy you can't really explain.
It is exciting chaos. It is just students engaged 100%, hands-on energy, constantly checking with each other, checking to see if their robot did what it needed to do, working together. It's great for the kids to show off the skills that they've been working on all year. It's a great problem-solving, collaborative effort during the competition. They get to see what other schools are doing, what other teams have developed. It's a wonderful, wonderful learning hum that you hear throughout the gym. Very exciting. I hope everybody will get to come and see it.
Well, we are just excited about inviting educators from all over the state to come to Moore County on May the 4th. At Pinecrest High School, we're going to be doing a student showcase with robotics and programming, where people that come can come and see our kids in action actually programming robots, which is really cool to see. And then also on that day, we're going to do professional development on how to do the engineering process in our K-5 classrooms. You'll be able to build, create, destroy, and hopefully at the end of the day, you'll have something to take with you to get started in your own buildings.
I would describe this as life-changing. Our robotics program, our engineering lessons that we're doing for the kids, we're setting our students up for the greatest success.
Did you see? Guess what? They can make a house.
I just can't wait to see like how well these students do when they're in high school and then when they go on to college or the workforce, you know, just from these starting in kindergarten, third grade, you know, what we've started laying that foundational work for them so far. Can't wait to see how far they can go with this.